Oh boy, I don't like this one. So, of course I don't like when the denominator has addition and subtraction. So, I'm going to let u be that denominator and see what that gets me. So if I take the derivative of u, this is being really sloppy right now, and it's bugging me. So the derivative of e to the x is e to the x, and then minus, so I want to take the derivative of the exponent, which will be a negative 1, so that'll be positive, and then e to the negative x. And oh my gosh, look at that. That's exactly what I have in the numerator. This is going to work out splendidly. So I don't even have to put anything in there. So now I'll have the integral. So keep in mind that all of this stuff is going to be du. And I'll have 1 over u du. But of course the derivative of, the integral of that is natural log of u, absolute value, plus c. And then if I plug it back in, I'll have natural log of e to the x minus e to the negative x plus c. Splendidly. Oh my goodness, I can rhyme a lot, can't I? Well, we know that we can't have a crazy exponent on e if we're integrating. All we can have is just a plain variable. So I'm going to have to let u be that expression. And then when I take the derivative of it, I'll get negative 1 dx. So I'm going to have to slip a little negative 1 in there. If I do that, I got to do it on the outside. So now I have, now remember, I could actually rewrite this, which I like to do. If x is the lower bound, which is 1, then u will be 0. And if x is the upper bound, which is 2, then u will be negative 1. So this is going to be going from 0 to negative 1, which that's a problem, but we'll fix it, of e to the u, and then all of this is now du. And of course, I don't like the lower number on top, so in order to switch that, I'll just negate the whole thing. So it already had a negative, so now if I take the negative again, it'll become a positive, and then it allows me to flip my bounds. And so if I take the antiderivative of e to the u, it's just e to the u. And since I have values, I don't need to put the plus c because they'll just cancel out later anyways. So now I have u numbers, so I have e to the 0, wonder if anybody knows what that one is, minus e to the negative 1. So of course e to the 0 is 1 minus 1 over e. All done.